Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Charging issues on iPhones can stem from various causes, ranging from faulty accessories to software glitches or hardware problems. In this video, I'll show you 5 troubleshooting tips to restore power to your device. Let's go. The first thing you need to do is to inspect the cable and adapter. Try a different cable and wall adapter if possible. Examine also the power source by testing your outlet by plugging in another device. Consider using a wall outlet rather than a laptop or power strip. Additionally, clean the charging port. Remove any lint or debris with a toothpick. Be gentle to avoid damaging the pins inside the port. This is the most common reason why your device is not charging anymore. If the issue persists after checking the device, try restarting your phone. A restart can resolve temporary software issues that might prevent charging. Apple suggests trying a force restart if your iPhone isn't responding or charging. Keep in mind though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID such as iPhone 10, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. Another thing, also check for overheating. If your iPhone is hot, let it cool down before charging. Heat can temporarily prevent charging for safety reasons. Then disable optimized battery charging. Go to Settings. Scroll down and find Battery. Tap on Battery Health and Charging. Then toggle off Optimized Battery Charging. Just test temporarily. You can also try to use wireless charging. If your iPhone supports it, this eliminates cable or port issues. If none of the above solutions work, probably it is a hardware issue, like the charging port or the iPhone battery itself. For hardware problems, the best approach is to contact Apple support. If your device is still under warranty, they may be able to repair it at no charge. If not, they should be able to diagnose the problem and give you an estimate of the repair cost. You can either visit the nearest Apple Service Center or contact them directly via chat or call on their web platform. To contact them online, open your browser and visit support.apple.com on your iPhone or computer. From the dashboard, browse to the Get Support section and click Start Now. For more personalized support, sign in with your Apple ID and follow the on-screen instructions to start your request. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.